Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at the summer Feed the Need program here at Village Oaks Elementary School in Novi, Michigan. And it was an awesome day. We talked about positive life choices, but these three concepts really I tried to hammer home, which is to believe in yourself, and then you start to believe in other people as well, to kind of be their inspiration, be their encouragement, that the power of our words, the power of our actions, the power of our mind is so powerful, right? And that once we start to believe, then we can achieve anything. And even if we don't achieve it the first time, it doesn't make us a failure. That the opposite of success is not failure, but quitting or giving up. I had a couple of students come up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I tried really hard on recess and I couldn't hit the ball after I tried swinging it a couple of times, but then I finally got it. And they kept going, right? And then this other girl said, Mr. Peace, I couldn't pass the swim test at this one location, so I went to another one, got the help from my parents and from my coach, and then I passed it. So they're getting the concept that even if we fail, it doesn't make us this person that we can stay down and be down about ourselves and keep thinking negatively. That if we keep thinking positively, we can get past these assumptions that we can't do something or that we're not good enough, and then we step into our potential and that we can do something. We have the effort, not always the outcome, but if you give your best effort, do your best that we talked about today, that usually you're going to get the result that you want. And that leads to what success is to us, that we define what it is. And like the shirt says here, keep your head up, even though it's upside down, that when you feel down or think you're about to give up and you can't go on, you look down and it reads, keep your head up. And a big part of that too is to remember that we're all miracles, like the M on our palms, etched on all of our palms. M for miracle, W for worthy. Remembering our worth and our value is a huge part in terms of what we define as true success in ourselves and what we start to see in other people. Because we have that opportunity and that potential to really impact lives by sharing our hearts, choosing kindness, choosing love, making that positive choice. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.